Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to check login devices on your CoinMarketCap application. To check your login devices or to check your devices that has been logged into your CoinMarketCap, the first thing to do is to open up your CoinMarketCap application or website and log in. Now, from the main homepage, click on your profile avatar at the top right-hand corner. This will open up this information on the screen where you'll need to tap on Settings. Under the Settings menu, scroll down under Devices and Activities. Tap on Device Management and you will be able to see the list of devices that has currently been logged in to CoinMarketCap account. If you see any unauthorized access, go ahead and tap on the trash icon right next to it and click on the Remove button in order to remove the device from your account. Tap the Remove button in order to remove the selected device. That way you will be able to cut off access from your CoinMarketCap account with that particular device. That's how you easily check login devices on CoinMarketCap application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.